Yo, welcome back to this channel. This is Million Majesty. This is a new mentorship which is basically for beginners, people who doesn't understand the reason why price is doing what it's doing, and also for retail traders who are interested in trading like a bank, hedge fund, institutional traders, and smart money. So this new mentorship, beginners to pro, contain 15 different videos arranged in a learning manner for growth, but I'm going to be releasing all the 15 contents here, and also the first one is going to pop out immediately on the screen after this video, so you can start learning. If you're new to this channel, subscribe now and turn up your notification so you'll be notified every single time I upload a helpful video. Thank you for doing that. So these are the list of what you're going to be treating in this mentorship. So the first one is element to trade setup. So in this element to trade setup, we are going to be discussing about 4 different elements that surround the idea of trading. Like every single trader must know these 4 elements. Without these 4 elements, no trader is going to be able to trade, because trading contains only these 4 elements. So after that, we are going to be discussing about liquidity. So that is going to be our second video. So many people, I know a lot of people have heard some words like this. Price end up hitting my stop loss and then going to my direction, just because they said that stop loss where there's liquidity. You understand? So we are going to discuss about liquidity, and then where there's liquidity in the market, how to set up your entry, how to set up your stop loss, how to set up your take profits. You understand? So we are going to discuss about all this, and then the third video you're going to upload on this channel, on this mentorship, my bar, is break or structure. So you have to understand break or structure. You have to understand a system. It's just like a system of which banks are using to communicate with bank. So all these communication skills, I'm going to be revealing them to you one after the other. And also after this, you're going to discuss about order block. So like where price is exactly going to get to before reversing. So you have to understand those levels. After that, we are going to discuss about real order block. There are a lot of traders that doesn't understand real order block in the market. They just find out every single point, every single order block is order block, of which is not so. So in this mentorship, we are going to learn real order blocks and then the other blocks that are not real. So after that, we are going to discuss about sessions. So a lot of traders doesn't understand the type of sessions we have in the market. They just enter into their chart and then take any trade at any time they want. We have different type of sessions in the market, up to 4, but we only recognize 3. So I'm going to be teaching you guys all the sessions, the time to trade and also the time not to trade, the time to analyze the market, and then wait patience for your own session. You understand? So after that, we're going to be discussing about AMD. AMD simply means accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. So many traders doesn't understand this, but I'm going to be teaching you in the course of this lesson, so you guys can understand it much better. Then after that, we are going to discuss about PD algorithm. So PD algorithm is just like price delivering algorithm. So we have to understand price delivering algorithm. How do you know that price has delivered? How do you know that this algorithm has delivered? You have to study the reason why price is doing what it's doing. Yeah, a lot of traders believe like price is going up because people are buying, and then price is coming down because people are selling. But actually, I believe like it's algorithm that control the market. So you have to understand the algorithm that control the market. So you also have to know when price have delivered and then when price is here to deliver. So that is just it. Then after that, we're going to discuss about fair value gap. Like we have some gap in the market. Every single time price is going towards the direction, it must close every single gap. You understand? Then we have liquidity void. So we are going to discuss about liquidity void. Then we have turtle soup. I know it sounds somehow funny because most of you are just saying the word turtle soup just now. Yeah, there's a course on it. Then I'm going to be revealing the course on this channel. So we're going to discuss about it. Then we have stop ons. Stop on, so you're going to discuss about it. It's just like a system of liquidity, also like turtle soup. Then we have news trading. Like a lot of traders doesn't understand how to trade news. Some of them said they take profit before news, or they don't know. They just say that price end up going up, I made a lot of profit today. They don't know that it's news that occur, or I made a very huge loss today. They don't know that it's news that occur. So in this mentorship, you're going to understand every single time that price from news come out, and then how to identify the time period and everything. So you're going to understand it. Then time frame. Like a lot of traders doesn't understand time frame, the time to trade and then the time not to trade, the what kind of trader I am. So how should I analyze my trade? from higher time frame to lower time frame perspective, then what higher time frame should I use and all those stuff. So we are going to discuss about that. And then the last one is money management. Like money management covers like 50% of trading. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Money management covers 50%, your trading analysis covers like 30%, your psychology covers like 20%. You understand? So that is just it. I hope you guys get what I mean. So we're going to discuss about money management. Even though if you are not perfect in trading, if you are just like 30% accurate in trading, you're still going to be profitable. Yes, I mean in their money management that is going to guide you to be profitable. Even though I have a money management, if you are just like 10% accurate, you are still going to be profitable no matter the kind of trader you are. If you're like 20%, you're still going to be profitable. But I always advise people to try as much as possible to be like 30%, 40%, 50%. You understand? So it's not really necessary for you to be 100%. I don't believe anybody can be 100% accurate. You can just be 80, 90, but not 100%. You understand? So that is just it. So we are going to discuss about all this, and then the first video is going to pop out now because I'm about to end this video. And also you can just click on it and then start learning. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and then turn up your notification. And then if you find this video and then this mentorship is going to be really helpful, you can share this video with your friends and family that you wish or want them also to learn. You understand? So you can also grow together trading. So I'm wishing you guys good luck and happy trading. We're gonna meet at the top. So bye.